Hey guys, tonight I'm going to talk about exercise and the skin. If you take regular exercise, it will improve your blood circulation. More blood circulation means more oxygen will be pumped into the various parts of the body, including skin. It will make your skin vibrant. And it also take all the nutrients to our skin. And apart from that, it will take away all the waste material from our body and it will clear our body and detoxify our body. It doesn't clean our body like a liver, but it will definitely clear our skin. And another best part of exercise is our sweat contains lactic acid. It can act as a mini facial because lactic acid can give glow to your skin. Alright. It also improves stress related skin conditions like acne and psoriasis. Okay. Then it will help in toning up of muscles that will make you look better. But if you spend more time at the gym, can also lead to some unwanted effects on your skin. A warm, moist environment like the gym and your skin after a long workout can be the perfect conditions for common skin tissues to thrive. Let's discuss the risk involved while working out the gym and how to take care of it. The first one is avoid too much workout outdoors. Alright, if at all you are working outside under the sun, wear a proper sunscreen. It's better to use a gel foam or powder foam. I always prefer sunscreen cloths. Okay, if you are using sunscreen lotion or gel, try to get a pH balance and in gel form. So avoid peak UV radiation time, that is between 10 am to 12 pm. Okay, if you want to do the workout, what you have to do is like you can choose a time like early morning or in the evening time if you are doing a workout outside. Alright, so and chafing is another problem. Is mainly due to irritation and oversweating. Oversweating can lead to moisture, increased moisture that will lead to more fungal growth, especially the groin and the axilla, that is the armpit. Okay, and this oversweating, moisture and humid environment, all this will lead a gym a hot bed of infection. Another important one is about your attire. While going to the gym, don't wear a tight-fitting dresses and all that. So you should wear shoes and socks, but you should avoid very tight dress. Tight dress can cause a condition called acne mechanica. Another important thing is that increased physical activities in the gym can aggravate certain conditions like eczema and acne rosacea. But don't give that as an excuse for not attending the gym. Okay, attending the gym is the poor man's cosmetic surgery. Please remember that. Okay, so what you will do? You cannot go to the gym in this pandemic days. So you select a cooler environment to go for workouts. Select a time which is comfortable for you, early in the morning or in the evening hours. Or you can do some workouts in the office, okay, under the AC if you want. And also apply moisturizer before the workouts. And soon after the workouts, it's better to take a shower. If you are taking a steam bath, it will be wonderful. So it will cleanse your body also. It will give a real fresh look. Your mood will be elevated after a steam bath. I'll tell you this. And now, how and where you will get infections from? You will get infections from showers to be shared by other clients and even from the locker rooms. So you will be keeping all your apparel and shoes and all the materials in the locker room itself. And you will get the infection from the restroom and from the pools and also from the equipment itself. Because equipments are not sanitized properly, you will get infection. And you will get infection from the direct contact also. And now, what are the most common types of infection? Most common type of infection is fungal infection. Other infections are folliculitis. Folliculitis is inflammation of the hair follicles that is caused by bacteria. So we'll have red thing around the hair follicles. Okay, that is called folliculitis. And also we get viral diseases like warts. Okay, and molluscum. That is also another viral disease. And another most common disease is herpes. Herpes is a bubble-like lesion you might get on the lip or in the body itself. Alright. And what are the precautions? The first thing is like avoid touching your face with your own hands. And if you go to gym, bring your own mats and towels. I advise you to take two towels, one big and one small towel. Bigger towel you can wear it on the bench or the equipment's seats. And small towel you can use it to wipe out the sweat. Okay, this is important. That is, carry your own mat, your own towel, that also 2 in number, and shoes and socks should be very clean. Okay, and don't share your towels or shoes or any of your belongings with anyone else. Okay, if you have wound, cover it up. And soon after the gym, take a shower. And steam bath will be a fantastic choice. And don't forget to wear gloves for the hands. And hand sanitization is a must. That's all for tonight. I hope you enjoyed it. If you enjoyed it, like, share and comment. I'll come back with another topic soon. Till then, please take care of yourself. Take care. Bye bye. Namaste.